Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make KFC's famous fried chicken at home. You don't need to leave the house or spend a ton of money at a restaurant. With this recipe, you can create delicious, crispy, and juicy fried chicken in your own kitchen. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 8 pieces of chicken, a mixture of drumsticks, thighs, and breasts. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of paprika. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of dried basil. 1 tablespoon of dried sage. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 2 cups of buttermilk. Vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. 1. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Then, mix together the flour, paprika, salt, oregano, basil, sage, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper in a bowl. 2. This will be your dry mixture. 3. Next, pour the buttermilk into a separate bowl. 4. Take each piece of chicken and dip it into the buttermilk, making sure it's coated on all sides. 4. Then, roll the chicken in the dry mixture until it's fully coated. 5. Heat up about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet or pot on medium-high heat. 6. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the chicken into the pan. 6. You may need to do this in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. 7. Fry the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until it's golden brown and cooked through. 8. Once the chicken is cooked, place it on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it's fully cooked and crispy. 9. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Conclusion: there you have it. KFC-style fried chicken made right at home. It's the perfect recipe for a family dinner, game day snack, or any occasion where you want to impress your guests. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give this recipe a try. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching.